Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, April 20th, 2025, we're analyzing Bitcoin, BTCUSD, by looking at both the latest news and the chart data. We'll be diving into the current market sentiment, key price levels, and potential future scenarios. Let's start with some headlines. According to Cointelegraph, Bitcoin could reach $138,000 in 3 months, while Lyn Alden lowered her forecast due to tariff concerns. The Rich Dad Poor Dad author still predicts Bitcoin over $1 million. Yahoo Finance reports Bitcoin's price is stable around $85,000 despite uncertainty from Trump's tariffs and Fed inaction. Also, Bitwise reports record Bitcoin adoption among public companies in Q1 2025. Now, let's see how these events correlate with Bitcoin's chart data. First up, the one-day chart. Looking at the daily chart, we see a considerable amount of volatility over the past few months. We saw a jump from around $43,000 in early December 2023 to nearly $73,000 in March 2024, followed by a correction. Currently, in April 2025, we see the price hovering around $64,968. Notice the recent pullback from around $71,000 in early April 2024 down to the $60,000 support level in late April/early May 2024. This seems to correlate with general financial uncertainty. The market's reaction to Trump's tariffs and the Fed's lack of action seems to have contributed to the downside movement. However, looking back further, we can see several support and resistance levels forming throughout the year. Switching to the one-hour chart, we can see more granular price action in the most recent days. Since April 15, 2025, the price is trending upwards, with some resistance around $65,500. The latest daily candle suggests another attempt to break through the resistance. However, look out if it falls to the 63,000 area. That could be a strong support level. Now, let's look at the 15-minute chart for an even shorter time frame. On the 15-minute chart, we can see the most recent movement. The short-term trend is still upwards, but is starting to form into a more consolidated sideways action. We can see some short-term spikes, but be wary of a potential retracement to the $63,000 level. In summary, key price levels to watch are the $60,000 and $63,000 support and the $71,000 resistance. A break above $71,000 could lead to further upside, potentially testing $80,000 before year-end, maybe a 60% chance given positive adoption news. However, should the price fail to hold $60,000, we could see further downside, maybe 40% chance given the tariff kerfuffle. Keep an eye on economic news and market sentiment, particularly regarding Trump's tariffs and the Fed's response, as these events are likely to influence Bitcoin's price action. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Explain the Charts for more in-depth analysis.